In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys 3 awesome card moves to make your match even cooler. Let's get started. So guys, let's get started. But first of all, I just want to say that these are short fancy moves that you can use to either reveal a card or flip over deck. These are not big flourishes like so. So you can use them to like impress spectators, and it looks really nice when you add these short moves in your routines. So let's get started. But first of all, I just want to say that the third move that I'm going to teach is really exclusive. So please stick around for that. It's a really exclusive move and it was actually done by Ramsay himself. So let's get started. Alright, so the first move that I'm going to do is the instant replay. It looks really cool when done, and it's a really cool way to throw a packet from one hand to another. And you can also use a TG Murphy deck flip to add on with it, and it looks really cool. So here's how you do it. Alright, so you're gonna first take out cards like this. Okay, so all you do here is just hold the deck just like this, and then with the thumb break off some cards and you hold them like this. Alright, so now once you are here, basically what you're going to do is release the cards, and you're going to release them with your thumb, only with your thumb, like that. Okay, so just release the cards with your thumb and it will land on top of the deck. Okay, so it is easier to do it with 5 to 15 cards, but if you do it with 1 card, it's hard to do because the cards bend too much. So that's the instant replay, but here is the add-on. So you just take out some cards just like that, and then you do a deck flip and the instant replay at the same time. So I know it will take some practice, but when done correctly, it looks really awesome. So guys, that's the first move, and now let's move on to the second move. Alright, so here's the second move. So the second move is the DBDL, which is called the David Blaine double lift. Okay, so it's a really fancy way to take out 2 cards, and you can use them in your street magic performance. So first of all, you get a break, obvious. Okay, then you're going to readjust the deck. So the corner of this card should be in contact with the fleshy part of your thumb, and then you just release all the fingers except for a pinky, and this will sort of push up the card from here, and then you can take your index and thumb and hold it from here, and then you're going to rotate it and it's gonna pivot along your fleshy part like that. Okay, so it looks really nice, and you can do it for your street magic and stuff like that, just like that. Okay, so guys, that's the second move, and now let's move on to the most exclusive move. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the third and the final move, and I'm so thankful that you stuck around this far. So please like the video if you stuck around. Alright, so here's basically what I'm going to do. So this was actually performed by Ramsay on his 500,000 subscribers special, and it's a really nice move and it looks really awesome. So this is a really cool move in which you take a card and put it in the center in a really flashy way. So here's how you do it. So first of all, you're going to hold the cards just like this in middle grip. Then you're going to take out about half of the deck. Okay, and let's say the selected card is the 3 of clubs. So now the card is here, and then you're going to push off this card and you're going to flip it over like this. Okay, so it's really simple to do. So you go from here and you flip it over. Okay, and now you don't want to tilt this deck because you're going to keep it stationary. So you come over here. Now once you are here, you're going to flip this over. Okay, so you flip it like this, and then we're going to take this card, the selected card, and keep it right here, and then you flip over the deck on top, and the card is successfully in the middle. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's basically the 3 moves, and I hope you guys like them. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.